When it comes to creating accurate and detailed as-built survey drawings, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the best company to rely on. With their expertise in AutoCAD and their commitment to delivering high-quality drawings, they have earned a strong reputation in the industry. AutoCAD is a powerful software that allows for precise and efficient drafting, and Scon Design India Pvt Ltd utilizes this tool to create as-built survey drawings that meet the highest standards. As-built survey drawings are essential in various industries, including architecture, construction, and engineering. These drawings reflect the actual conditions of a building or structure after construction or renovation. They provide a comprehensive record of the existing conditions, including measurements, dimensions, and any changes made during the construction process. Accurate as-built survey drawings are crucial for future reference, renovations, or expansions, as they ensure that any modifications are done accurately and in compliance with the original design. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of producing precise as-built survey drawings. Their team of skilled draftsmen and engineers has extensive experience in using AutoCAD to create detailed and accurate drawings. They carefully analyze architectural plans and conduct on-site surveys to gather all the necessary information. Using AutoCAD, they then translate this data into comprehensive drawings that accurately represent the existing conditions of the building or structure. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your as-built survey drawings is their attention to detail. They meticulously review all the information gathered during the on-site surveys and cross-check it with the architectural plans to ensure accuracy. Their team pays close attention to every measurement, dimension, and detail, leaving no room for errors or discrepancies in the final drawings. Another reason why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as the best company for as-built survey drawings is their commitment to delivering high-quality work within tight deadlines. They understand that time is of the essence in many projects, and they strive to complete their drawings efficiently without compromising on quality. This dedication to meeting deadlines has earned them a loyal clientele who trust them to deliver accurate and timely as-built survey drawings. In conclusion, if you are in need of reliable and precise as-built survey drawings, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the best company to choose. With their expertise in AutoCAD and their meticulous attention to detail, they consistently deliver high-quality drawings that accurately represent the existing conditions of a building or structure. Their commitment to meeting deadlines ensures that you will receive your drawings on time, allowing you to proceed with your project without delays. Trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for all your as-built survey drawing needs.